Alright guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to change your activation email without any verification code, guys. No, Michelle, I do not want to talk to you right now. Okay, so in this quick tutorial, I'll basically be showing you how to change your activation email without needing a verification code. Okay, so first off, if you don't have access to the current email, which is linked to your Activision account, which a lot of people are having this problem, and you can receive the verification code, you actually need to submit a support request directly to Activision. Okay, so head to the Activision support page and just log in with your account. Okay, guys, log in with your account on the Activision support page. Then you want to go to the account recovery section. Just choose the option for email change and provide a reason for your request. So you're going to need to fill out actually the required information. You need to be as detailed as possible, guys, to help them to verify your identity. This typically includes your current and new email, recent login history, and any details with which only the account owner would know. Okay. And then, Activation support may ask for additional verification. Be prepared to actually answer questions or provide details like previous in game purchases, past usernames, or associated platforms like your PlayStation Network, Xbox, Battle.net accounts. So basically, guys, after submitting your request, you'll need to wait for Activision to support to review and process it. They'll reach out once your email change is approved, or if they need more information. That's it, guys. So this process can take a few days, so hang tight. And guys, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more